Hello, UCAR and others. Welcome all. I was talking to some people recently. I found out some relatives watch these that are not realtors and some of my old neighbors. So welcome. Welcome to you all. They told me they don't really understand much of what I'm talking about, but thanks for watching anyway. And you're welcome to be here. So welcome all. Peter Christensen here, coming to you from the CEO's desk. Going to talk about something simple but important to understand. I would say this is only for brokers, but it's not. It's not, because the brokers need the agents to be aware of this to keep track of everything. And that it has to do with records requirements. So the Division of Real Estate requires that you keep certain records for a certain amount of time. It's really, you can shorten it by saying 4 years. By the way, this in no way means you can only keep them for 4 years. Keep them as long as you want. I know some brokerages, because of statutes of limitation, will keep their documents maybe longer. There are different strategies. So talk to your counsel about that. Talk to your brokerage about that to see how they're handling that. But the question came up at the division Caravan yesterday. It was awesome. Thanks to the DRE for putting that together and coming down to Utah County and holding that event. If you did not catch it, they have them all over the state, so you still have a chance to catch it. The question came up about records retention and whether or not you needed to keep rejected offers. Good question. And in this market, you're likely to have a bunch of rejected offers, right? Whether you're the seller or buyer's brokerage. So what do you do with those? Well, the division has made it clear. Yeah, those are signed by a buyer or seller, and therefore you need to keep those. Those are part of a file, and so keep those. And yeah, you may have a lot of them, but they definitely want them. So that's my quick tip for you today. So keep those. Be mindful. It should be a lot easier now that it's all electronic. I know some of you use some companies that help you do that, and they might charge you per file, so you'll have to work that out and how they're categorizing them. But it is clear from the division they do want you to keep those. Those do count under the records retention rule. So just know that. Keep those, even the failed offers. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, this is not legal advice. This is legal information only. If you need specific legal advice, please contact your attorney. Have a great day.